Today we are going to discuss about simple string methods which we are using very commonly in Selenium testing, automation testing. So I have a string, have a good day. I want to make this string to uppercase. There is a method called to uppercase, and then if we have a string which are in the uppercase letter, I want to make it to lowercase. There is a function called to lowercase, and there are other important and simple functions which are commonly used are trim, replace, contains and equal. How to use trim method? If we have a string dot trim function, then the extra space in the starting and the ending area will be cut off. And if we want to replace any particular value with another particular string, then I can use st.replace. I want to change this amicam, then I can replace with go. This is the replace function, how it works. And another important string method is contains, which is commonly used in automation testing. That is a particular value you are doing good, which is stored in sum. Then I want to check the particular string is available or not. Then sum.contains good is there. So the return type would be Boolean value. If it contains, then value would be true. If it fails, the value would be fail or false. Then another important string method is equal. How to check equal? If we have a value in a particular string sum1, for example, sum1 dot equal ignore case, we have a string method and we are checking the particular values are same or not. If it is same, the value would be true, otherwise value would be false. I am going to run this script. Now you can see the result on the console. The value is changed to uppercase, then lowercase. The value is extra space is cut off. Then I want to replace. The value is replaced. If it contains, the value would be true. Otherwise, the value would be false. Thank you.